Kama chako, riwruok mar jopuonj mar KNUT olando ni gidhi golo jopuonj manie bor riwruogno matie gwenge ma Kerio Valley wera ni onge arita makare ka gilose kaunti ma Busia e kinde romo margi koni chakre wuok tich ma tarik 26 jopuonj ok bi donjo e skunde gwenge ma Kerio Valley nyaka chop piny owacho ketnegi yanga ni ngimagi biro bedo makare kinde ma gidhi e tich. Kinde mosekalo arita ok osebedo makare ahinya e gwengego.
It's painful that actually we have lost priests. And we as unions, the way my boss has spoken, kwamba we are not going to allow our teachers to be in areas that are having insecurity. We are pleading the government to step in and make sure that we provide actually tough security conditions in those given zones. Because once a teacher is not safe, he cannot be able to deliver. Those who are in various areas that actually are giving us issues when it comes to security, we are calling upon the government to give priority to the teachers so that they can be able to deliver on those given zones.
We as KNUT have declared and have told all our members in Kerio Valley, all teachers from Monday, the teachers are not going to go to school until the security of the place is taken care of. We cannot allow our teachers to go to school and die. It's better for them to sit at home and nothing and die from home than go to school and be ambushed. If the whole padre, priest can be ambushed, a man of God, what about a teacher?